Hi, I'm Melanie. I'm a patient of Dr. Chasen's. I started coming to Reflections, it incorporated it into my skincare routine just as a maintenance. It's really not for glamorizing. It's more just to keep the skin I'm in, for as long as I can. So I pretty much let Dr. Chasen tell me what to do, to reach the goals I'm looking for. So we've done injections over the years, Botox to get rid of these little lines. I've had laser treatments and the facials I come for regularly. I'm a professional. I'm in front of clients all the time. I can't take long down periods to recover. And it's very important that I don't look made up, that I look natural. I don't want people to notice that I've had anything done, other than maybe, gee, you look relaxed or refreshed or rested, Actually, he was referred by a friend. She had something that was a little bit noticeable, and we all commented on how fabulous she looked, and she raved about Dr. Chasen, and I thought I would give him a try. I started out with Botox and then went on to fillers, and it took a very conservative approach. But yeah, he would tell me each year, well, you've got a lot of sun damage, let's take care of that. I've been coming to see Dr. Chasen for over a decade. It's a regular part of my maintenance. I always refer Dr. Chasen to my friends. I'm very open about coming here, and I reassure them that he's careful not to, make mistakes, and he's careful not to make you look unnatural. And I've had several friends come here. I won't name names, but they're very happy with their results too. I'm of the mindset that we're all going to age. I'd like to do so gracefully. I really don't intend to go underneath the scalpel, but I would like to maintain what I've got for as long as I can. And also in my profession, I'm competing against younger people, and I need to keep a fresh face. I need to look competitive in the market. And eventually I will grow old, but I'm getting there slower than I would without the help of Reflections. I've been to both offices. I normally come to the one in Martinsville. I love both offices. I love the people. They're very friendly. You feel like you're coming into a family's house, basically. They greet you. They're very professional as well. The offices are beautiful to come to. And it's always exciting because it's a positive thing you're coming for.